Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and for today's video I want to show you how to turn off Facebook like sound. Open your Facebook, for example, and you press a like on any posted content. For example, there is a sound. For example, when I like, you hear there is a sound which sometimes may be irritating, and you would like to turn it off. And before you enter to the tutorial, kindly support this YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Now to the tutorial. When you open your app, your Facebook app, you just tap on these three dots at the top right. You tap on them to open. Then you scroll down to settings and privacy. You have to tap on settings and privacy. You tap on settings, then you tap on media. On some phones you get media and contacts, so you just tap on media and contacts. You go to sounds in the app. It is where you have to toggle this part to off. I go to my Facebook and press a like on any posted content. You hear that there is no like sound which was being produced after pressing a like. That is all about for tutorial today. We will meet again with another tutorial.